Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back with a towel. And this is how you do it. You hold a towel like this. You hold it like a rope. Instead of holding it in front of you, you put the towel behind your back. And then you hold it like you're gripping it, like you're riding a bicycle, like so. And then you put all your aggression on your back, lower back. And then slowly reach up. And this should be on the back of your, close to your shoulder blades. So this is what you do. You squat down a little bit, and then with all your might, you push, thrust for the sky, reach for the sky, and then you're gonna hear a pop, like so. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.